Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to post anonymously on Facebook group. As it is an informative video, so just let me show you how to do it. To post anonymously on Facebook, tap on the three lines icon in the top right of Facebook and then tap groups and go to your groups and then select your desired group. If you can't find your group, just tap on see more and you will find your group, and you can also search your group name and that will be appeared on top. And once you write something, tap on the toggle button next to post anonymously and then tap got it. And then there's the optional opinion, that is tap customize a nickname to set a nickname, and you can use to post, comment and react anonymously in your group and then tap save. So yeah, and then create your post and then must make sure to tap on post, otherwise your post won't be posted. So if you decide not to post anonymously while creating your post, toggle post anonymously again and turn it off. So yeah, this is the way you can just post anonymously on your Facebook. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.